welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Derek. I'm a front-end developer based out of Los Angeles, and today I'm continuing my series of Method Mondays where I go over every array method there is in JavaScript. And next up on the list for today, we're taking a look at shift. So let's just hop right into our editor and get right into it. All right, so shift, it removes and returns the first element of an array. Pretty straightforward. Now, it does mutate the original array by changing its length and contents, and it is commonly used for when implementing queue-like FIFO behavior. So that's basically first in, first out. A good example of this would be like a shopping cart on the checkout page of a website or something. And for our first example, let's shift an array of numbers. So we've got const nums here, which is just an array of numbers. We'll take nums and hit it with our shift method. Let's store this in a variable. We'll just call it first num, and then let's log that to the console. And as expected, we get 10. 10 is the first item in that array, and just remember shift removes and returns the first item of any array. So pretty straightforward. Now let's try this with strings. We've got const words here. It's just an array of strings. We'll take words and hit it with our shift method, store that in a variable. We'll just call it first word, and then log that to the console. And just like before, we're gonna get the first item of that array, the first element, which is hello. So again, pretty straightforward. And lastly, let's try this with some objects. So we'll take const users here. It's just an array of 2 objects. Take our users variable and hit it with our shift method. Similar to before, we'll just store this in a variable. We'll call it first user, and you already know the drill. We're just going to log this to the console and see what we get. As expected, it just returns to us Alice, which is the first element, the first item of that array, or in this case, the first user, and that's about it. Shift is very straightforward. So devs, hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, definitely hit that like button. I will link the code down in the description, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.